I created this AI agent here. As you can see, this agent books it schedules your appointments. So you send a message, and then it get processed here, and then it will use your large language model, which is a chat model, and then memory, and then it will go. Let's say maybe you want to book Friday, which is the 17th, and then we will go and get all events and see if that date is available. If the date is available, it will create an event, as you can see here. And then this is just frequently asked questions about this business that is for this AI agent, which is a beauty spa. Okay, so let me just try and book an appointment here so that you'll see. Hi, can I book? Can I please book an appointment? As you can see here, it's using your large language model, and then here memory, so that when maybe I let me just say, maybe now I put all the details, I fill all the details here, and then come back here and then ask the AI agent, like, maybe what's my name, because this memory here, it will remember my name. Okay, let me continue here. Of course, I can help you with that. Could you please provide me with the following details? Full name, okay, date of appointment, preferred time, service, or whatever. Okay, so let me just say Precious. Okay, what's number 2? Also phone number. So phone number is, okay, date of appointment, let me just say 17th of October, and then preferred time, I'll just say 9 a.m, and then service, I'll just say nails. Okay, you see here, it's getting all the events now. So to check if 9 o'clock is available on this day, which is the 17th. So I don't know why it's taking so long. Maybe it's because of the network. Okay, agent stop due to max iterations. Yeah, I think it's because of network. Okay, let me just say, repeat this. I don't know what happened here. Okay, let me just say, please, okay, let me just copy and paste this. Okay, so we can see here, this is green, this is green, this is green, 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 green. So everything was executed. So I sent a message here. AI agent processed everything using your OpenAI chat model, and then simple memory was used again, because you saw that I just copied and I pasted. So it means that, like, there's still that memory of this here, of this of this conversation on top here, this one. Okay, and then as you can see here, this create event is green as well, so that means the appointment was booked and it was created on the calendar. And okay, let me just check here. So it says your appointment has been booked successfully. Appointment details, name is Precious. As you can see, dates 17th of October, time 8 a.m. service nails. You can view appointment here. Is there anything else I can help you with? Let me just say no thank you. You're welcome. If you need anything else in the future, don't hesitate to ask. Have a great day. Okay, let me go to my Google Calendar now. You see, here is the thingy, the appointment, nail appointment for Precious, Friday 17th, and you can see here time. I said 9 a.m. so they usually like estimate an hour because I wasn't specific. So I'm just gonna show you and explain like the basics and everything on how I built this AI agent. So here you'll just okay, so if you're creating your AI agent, the first thing you'll do is you'll go here, you press this plus, and then after pressing this plus, you choose your workflow. Maybe you can say under create, under personal, or under my project, it doesn't matter, but I usually use personal. After creating under personal, what you do is you go to, after you've clicked the plus button here, okay, let me show you. It's just that I don't want to come here, I don't want to exit this page. Okay, so after you've clicked here, you will just choose open note panel. Okay, so this panel here will appear like this after you've clicked and then you chose your projects or maybe personal, whatever, and then this panel here will appear, and then what you will do, you'll just say chat trigger, and then you choose this one, which is this one. Okay, and then let's just see here, you just leave everything like this, and then you click this here plus that is connected to this agent, to this chat, and then you also like type AI agent, and then you choose AI agent here, and then this will be connected to this chat here. And then when you are here in this AI agent, what you need to do is you connect source for prompt user connected. Okay, so you just leave this as it is, and then here also you just leave this because it's an input, so you can see you cannot edit. You come to system message. So here on this system message, you just go to your ChatGPT, and then on ChatGPT you just write maybe like a prompt saying you're creating an AI agent, maybe for a beauty spa or maybe for like a dental clinic or whatever. Please write me a system message, and then you check after that, because you can see this one, the current time is that. This means that it's that exact time according to this is JSON. So as you can see here, since it says now and in these curly brackets, it means that whatever time you text, let's say maybe I'm texting this agent at 10 o'clock, it will use that time, or it will operate using like I don't know how to explain this, but you can just, as you can see here, you can just say now, it means like now at that exact time. But this doesn't really matter. As you can see here, the current date is, it's this date today, and then the time is 22:36. And then here, yeah, Crystal Aesthetic booking assistant, a friendly and reliable visual. Let me just open this. Okay, clinic in South Africa. Our role is to talk naturally with the clients, collect booking detail, check availability, prevent double bookings, blah 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 blah. What do? You make sure you collect all this at once. Collect details. Always capture the client's name, phone number, um, date of appointment, preferred time, service, and then you validate inputs. If a detail is missing, ask only for what's missing without repeating everything. So here, the agent will ask me, let's say maybe you forgot to add maybe your cell phone number, so it will only ask for a cell phone number, not like everything, like maybe name, surname, email address, and then dates and service again. So it will just ask for that specific missing thingy item. So you do not allow double bookings. If the request time is unavailable, you suggest the next 2 to 3 closest free time slot. So you just get all this from ChatGPT or maybe like your Gemini. Okay, so when you're done with this, you just press execute, and then you come here now, you add your OpenAI chat model. So this is your OpenAI chat model. So I'm using GPT-4 here. There's a whole lot. We have 4. I don't know why 5 is not here, because 5 is the latest, but I prefer that like you use for, especially for AI agents. And then we have credentials. So you need, when it comes to credentials, you need to connect your AI agent to OpenAI. So you need to create an account, and then you connect using API. So API is like a bridge that connects two applications. So what's going to happen now is for for OpenAI to be able to communicate with this N8N or this agent, you need to connect them using something called API. So I'll show you, I'll make another video on how to connect your APIs, how to create credentials for your OpenAI and for your Google Calendar and for your Gmail. So here you'll just press create, and then it will or just press docs, and then it will take you to OpenAI chat model, and then you can go here and then you create credentials. But I'll show you when I'm on another video, because it's a long process. And then you're done. So you come here now to this tool here, to this here, to this plus. There's a plus here, and you'll add memory. So just press the plus, and then it will take you to this. It will take you to this panel here, and then you just search memory, simple memory. So you just take this for beginners, because we are beginners. So you just click this, and then it will come here, and then you just double click on this simple memory. You can choose up to maybe up to like how many. Let me just say 10 is the maximum for Ilokuzan, for text messages that this AI agent can keep or can remember. It's the last 10 conversations, let me put it like that. So you just put 10, and then you leave it like this. And then the reason there's yellow triangles here, because I keep on changing like a lot of things without executing. And then you go to your tools. Under your tools, you press plus. Under tools, you can connect like a whole lot of tools, so that is why this plus is still here. You just press here, and then you say calendar. Google Calendar. So you just say Google Calendar, you choose, and then this Google Calendar you want to, okay, let me just go back. This one I will delete this one because I already have this. Okay, so you double click, also you need to create new credentials to connect your Google Calendar to your AI agent. Then you just set automatically here, and then here you choose event because you want to get all events on that calendar for that date, so that you won't be able, so that you avoid double bookings. And then here, sorry, this one you create, you don't get events, you create an event here, and then it's your email address, the one email address that you will be using to connect your Google Calendar here. It's your Gmail, in fact, this must be your Gmail. And then here you just write this as it is. From AI start time, this is the starting time of the event, so you just copy this as it is. And then end time, it's the end time of the event. If you want, you can add like the exact time, but I'll just leave this as it is. And then we come to get all events. Under get all events, it's the same story, you use the same credentials, and then here now we choose get. Under parameter, the parameter will be to get many events. In fact, you want to get all events, that is why it says get many. Here, if you take this get, it will retrieve an event, maybe only one, that specific one event. So you just get many so that you will be able to see what time slots are available. And then you also same thing here. Your calendar is the same. You put your Gmail account here, and then so here, after, from AI, after dates, this is the date the user wants to search for the event, for past events. Okay, so this is for the AI agent to get this information, and also to see if the date is available. And here, before dates, this is before and after. Before dates, this is the time the user wants to search for the events before. So this is basically for your AI agent. And then you are set. I think you're done. Yeah, that's it. So I'll try and make another video where I'll be showing you guys how to create your Google Sheets. How to connect your Google Sheets, how to connect your Gmail, how to connect your Google Calendar, in fact all your Google accounts. So yeah.